Looking to boost your health with nature's sweetest gifts? Dive into the world of fruits and discover the best picks for your well-being. 1. Apples, packed with fiber and antioxidants, they're a crunchy delight that supports heart health and aids digestion. 2. Oranges, bursting with vitamin C, oranges strengthen your immune system and promote glowing skin. 3. Mangoes, rich in vitamins A and E, mangoes are a tropical treat that boosts eye health and fights inflammation. 4. Berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, these tiny powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that combat aging and support brain health. 5. Bananas, a potassium-packed snack that regulates blood pressure and provides sustained energy throughout the day. 6. Kiwi, with more vitamin C than an orange. Kiwis promote healthy digestion and improve skin texture. Incorporate these delicious fruits into your diet and enjoy a journey to vibrant health. Which one will you reach for first? Savor the goodness.